Today, I'll walk you through how to extract the hour of the day from a date using Microsoft Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to separate the time from your date data so you can analyze it more effectively. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic happens, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions will still be the same. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the Home ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Transform Data. Click on that to open the Power Query Editor. This is the area where you can manipulate your data before it gets visualized. Now you'll need to choose the table where your date and time column is located. This is similar to selecting a book from a shelf before diving into its contents. Once you've found your table, click on the column title that contains your date and time data. From the context menu that appears, select Duplicate Column. This action creates a copy of your original column, which is essential for preserving your data while you make changes. Next, click on the title of the duplicated column. This will allow you to work specifically with this new column. Now, head over to the Transform ribbon at the top of the Power Query Editor. In the Date and Time column section, click the down arrow. Here you'll see several options. Choose Time Only from the list. This will extract just the time portion from your original date and time data, leaving you with the hour of the day. Now it's time to rename this second column. Simply click on the column title and change it to Time. This will help you easily identify this column in your dataset. If you want to take it a step further, you can also format the first column. Click the down arrow under Date and choose Date Only. This way, you'll have your date and time neatly separated into two distinct columns, making your data cleaner and more manageable. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted the hour of the day from your date using Microsoft Power BI. This process not only helps in organizing your data, but also enhances your ability to analyze time-related trends. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.